Yeah, see, my name's Cheshire Keith, and I love gold. Even gold sealed in notes. I love gold. You know what else I love? Silver. I love silver. Silver's delicious. But don't eat it. Cheshire Keith loves some silver. Let me tell you that. But you know what really tickles my fancy is my copper dinosaurs. I love to play with my copper dinosaurs. They're the best. 4/9 fine silver, copper dinosaurs. Yeah. And man, do I love stickers. If you've got stickers, send them to me, see? And I'll collect them. Love some stickers. I'm telling you, I love all my silvers. I love my Canadian silver. It's silver, see? But the one thing I love more than Canadian silver is old American silver. That's just beautiful. Look at this here, Baba. Man, that'll tickle your fancy. So if you know what's good for you, Shay, you listen to StewDeezie, come over here, my page, and check it out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe and ring the bell. Also, stare into my kitty. It's beautiful eyes. It's creepy, I know. Terrible teeth. Seriously though, Shay, come on over. Leave the comment, creepy kitty, on my latest mail call video, and StewDeezie might pull something out of his GAW box for one of you.